Welcome to SEs with Tech, where smart gadgets meet smart income. Discover tools that make life easier and your wallet heavier. What if I told you that this one machine, yes, this small, sleek, cosmetics tube filling and sealing machine, could start a business that pays for itself in just weeks? Whether you're a beauty brand, skincare enthusiast, or just someone looking for a smart side hustle, this might be the smartest investment you'll make this year. Meet the tube filler and sealer machine, the mini factory that can help you create professional-looking skincare products, creams, lotions, even herbal paste or toothpaste, right from home or a small workshop. Ever noticed how expensive cosmetic brands are? What if you could create your own at a fraction of the cost and sell it for real profits? Let's break this down. One plastic tube costs about 15 cents to 20 cents wholesale. Fill it with a homemade or private label formula, cost per unit around 50 cents to 80 cents. Sell it online, on Etsy, Amazon, or to salons for $8 to $15 per tube. That's up to 1,000% markup. Now imagine producing 50 tubes per day. You could be looking at $400 to $600 in daily sales. Skincare creams, herbal ointments, hair masks, custom branded beauty kits, white label manufacturing for small brands. The cosmetic industry is booming, and small brands are thriving, but they all need packaging, and that's where you can cash in. How it works. Step 1. Insert the tube. Step 2. Fill with your product using the automatic filler. Step 3. Seal the tube using built-in heating tech, clean, secure, and professional. Step 4. Trim it, and done. Your product is ready for retail. Why this investment makes sense. Low maintenance, compact, and works with plastic and laminated tubes. You can run this in your garage, kitchen, or mini lab, no huge factory needed. One-time investment that opens doors to multiple income streams. Start your own brand, offer filling services, or white label products for influencers. There are people on TikTok and Etsy selling custom skincare products made using machines like this. Some are making $5,000 to $10,000 plus a month. Don't wait for the perfect moment. If you've been dreaming of starting a product line, this machine turns that dream into a reality without needing a warehouse or a huge budget. Turn your creativity into a real income and let this little machine become your first employee. Ready to launch your product empire? The Cosmetics Tube Filling and Sealing Machine is available now on Amazon. Link is in the description. Invest once and build a business that prints money. Like, subscribe and share with someone who has a dream but needs a push.